Good morning, everybody. Yes, I am at Walgreens right now. Sorry for the light. I am at Walgreens right now. It is going to be a slow week again. I think the whole month of October is just a slow week in general. I sometimes always feel burnt out around this time, probably because there's just not a lot of deals to get excited about. But it is going to be a slow week. I could barely find anything. I'm hoping like when I walk through the store I can find stuff, because that's usually what I do, is I kind of just walk through the store and just like, okay, yeah. But other than that, I'm excited to go shopping today. There's a couple deals that are pretty excited. I'm excited. Today is the, what is today? The 9th. Today's the 9th. The deals will start getting better after October 22nd, because they're having this whole like, you know, spend 20, get 5. They've done this I think last year or once a year before. But I don't know, but I'm hoping to maybe get some IBOTTA deals. I need 10 rebates to get my $1 weekend warrior bonus. So if I hit that, not a big deal. But I'm just excited to go inside and share some deals with you. So let's go have some fun shopping. So here we have the Covergirl makeup. I scanned probably about 20 items, and a lot of these do not work with the IBOTTA rebate, so keep in mind with that. But I did find this Covergirl active eyeliner for $8.99. This is currently buy one get one 50% off. So you're gonna get one of those. And then I got this all day finish item for $8.99. Also buy one get one 50% off. So we're gonna buy 2 of these, a face product and an eye product. We're gonna use one $3 off face coupon and one $3 off eye coupon. You'll end up paying just $7.48. But there's 2 IBOTTA rebates where you get $4 for the eye and $4 for the face. Both of these come out to be a 51-cent moneymaker. So here we have the Almay makeup also on sale for buy one get one 50% off. So I got one of the mascaras that was $9.99, and then I also got the concealer that was $9.99. These are currently buy one get one 50% off, but we do have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You end up paying $7.98, but then there is a $3 eye cosmetic rebate with IBOTTA and a $3 face cosmetic rebate with IBOTTA, so you get $6 back with IBOTTA, making both of these just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So here we have the Purex crystals, 2 for $5, along with the Purex laundry detergent. My store used to have pods, but my pods are sold out. But these are currently 2 for $5. In our inserts from last week, we currently have a $1 off Purex laundry detergent, and then we also have a $1 off the Purex crystals. So you guys can use one of each of those coupons. You'll end up just paying $3. That's $1.50 for a bottle, which is a pretty great deal. So here we have the Suavitel for $2.49, along with the Fabuloso for $2.49. You can pick either one that you'd want, but we currently have a $1 off of 1 digital coupon, making them just $1.49. Okay, I do want to say the holidays are coming up. Most of us, you know, love to shop, obviously, but a lot of us like to save some money. So my store is starting to get all their Christmas toys out, so I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. But usually they always have the $6.99 toys coming up in the near couple weeks. They usually have them buy one or buy 2 you get 1 free. Sometimes it's buy 2 get 2 free, so it does fluctuate. But I know sometimes they have the $9.99 ones a certain price. So if you guys are eyeing up specific toys, make sure you keep an eye on those deals, because they will be coming up super quick. You guys have a hankering for some Snickers. These are $2.49 this week. There is no digital, but for $2.49, that can be a great deal. So here we have the Bueno candy bars. These are currently $1 on sale this week, you guys. We do have a digital. I scanned the product. It says it doesn't exist in the system, but we do have a digital if you guys want to chance it. Otherwise, we did get some 50-cent off printable coupons from coupons.com. So you'll just get this candy bar for 50 cents. So here we have these Dove milk chocolate and caramel bars. I'm going to say they're delicious if you guys haven't tried them yet. But anyways, these are $2.79. You would pay $2.79 for it, but I actually have two different Fetch Rewards deals. I have a 50% off the Dove, which would make it $1.39, but then I also have another deal for 500 points when you purchase that. So these come out to be just what, 89 cents. 89 cents for one pack of candy bars. I think that's a great deal. So here we have the General Mills cereal, you guys. I think it's ridiculous that they want $5.49 for a box of cereal and people will pay it. But anyways, this week they are $1.99. I've been waiting for this $1.99 moment for a while. But I only have a Cinnamon Toast Crunch IBOTTA deal. Some of you guys might have other rebates. But anyways, these are $1.99. You're gonna use that $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you would pay $2.98, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with IBOTTA with a limit of 5, but there's only 1 digital coupon. So you get $1 back with IBOTTA, making 2 boxes of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So here we have the Chex Mix bars. We have the peanut butter and the birthday cake. There is another cookies and cream, but my store does not carry it. But these are 2 for $6. You would pay $6 for these, but then there is an IBOTTA rebate where you get $1 back with a limit of 5. So you actually get $2 back with IBOTTA, making it just $1 or $4. But there is a Fetch Rewards deal where you get 50 cents back, 500 points for just one of them. So these come out to be just $3.50 or $1.75 each. Here's another little deal if you guys have some nut hankerings. But anyways, we have the cashews have some pieces, so they're the broken pieces. These are just $1.99. $1.99, great price if you guys need to stock up on some nuts. Let's get this Unisum absolutely free today. So it is $12.99 on sale, but there is a $2 off digital coupon that you can use, plus we have the $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you just got to clip to your card now. You'll end up paying just $7.99, but you got to do this deal quickly because there is an $8 IBOTTA rebate, making this a 1-cent moneymaker. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I am here to bring you guys my deals. Now, I ended up getting a lot of food deals. Number one, because I didn't eat breakfast this morning and you should never shop hungry. Number two, I got some snacks and stuff for my kids, basically. So let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. So I got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. My family's not a Cinnamon Toast Crunch kind of family, but we will see what happens. Yeah, we will see what happens. But anyways, I got these. These were $1.99, you guys. That sun is bouncing off the building into my eyes. But these are $1.99. There is that $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You end up paying just $2.98, but then there is that 50-cent IBOTTA rebate times 2, making these just $1.98 or 99 cents each, which is a great deal. Now my store didn't, or my IBOTTA didn't have any other General Mills deals. Also, make sure you guys are in the Fetch Rewards General Mills club or whatever. You can basically join it. I have it where if I spend like 60 bucks, I get like $10 or $6 or something like that. But you get points for buying General Mills products, which is a pretty great deal. I also got the Fruit Loop snacks. I always like snacking on these. I actually like snacking on Fruit Loops, but I don't know, just the big ones to me just taste better. We will see. But anyways, these were $4.49. I used that $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3.49 for 2 of these, but then you can submit your receipt to the Shopkick app where you get 370 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.48, making these just $2 or $1 a box, and there's 12 snacks in a box. Yes, I will take that. Okay, I ended up getting these. I think my husband will like it because he likes anything peanut butter chocolate, and I thought, I'll try these. So these were 2 for $6. You guys would pay $6 for the both of these. But then there is a $1 rebate with IBOTTA. So you get $2 back with IBOTTA. And then I found out that there was a Fetch Rewards deal where you get 500 points for buying that, which is 50 cents. So these come out to be $3.50 or just $1.75 a box, which I think is a pretty good deal. I'm pretty excited to try these. Like, I'm really, you know, super excited to try these. I had to get this, you guys. I had to get this. These are so good. And my husband's like, oh, do you have any more? Because we went to Chicago last week, and I opened these up when we were driving down there. And he's like, oh, today, he's like, or the other day, he's like, do you have any more of these? I says, no. Well, I want more of them. Well, here you go, husband. Here you go. We just celebrated our 11th anniversary. Yeah, well, we went to Chicago to celebrate, but yesterday was our 11th wedding anniversary. Crazy. But anyways, $2.79. You'd pay $2.79 for it. But then with the Fetch Rewards app, you get 50% back with that. And I also had a 500 point deal also with Fetch Rewards. Did I not write this down? I didn't write this down. Jennifer. But I think this comes out to be just 89 cents. And there's 3 individual bars in here. So perfect for sharing if you guys need to share. I also got the Kinder Bueno Krispy Kreme chocolate bar. These were $1 on sale this week. $1 on sale. There is that 50% off digital, or there is the 50% off printable coupon that you guys can use. You would just get this for 50 cents. That's 25 cents a bar. So if you guys need to share, definitely go ahead. I miss when candy was like 50 cents. I really do. Like, I remember when candy was like 50 cents. Now they want like literally $2 for a candy bar. It's crazy. Now, this is a deal that you guys have to get right away if you plan on doing this. This Unisum is $12.99 on sale. There is a $2 off digital coupon, and then there is a $3 off IVC booklet coupon. So make sure you guys have both of those clipped with you in the app. You will pay $7.99 for this, but then there is an $8 rebate with IBOTTA that does end within the next 24 hours, and it can end sooner than that. I think they have like so many rebates, and so they always say like it'll end if it ends before the limit ends or whatever, but they do have a limit of rebates. That's one thing why it just disappears, because like people hit that limit. But you get $8 back with IBOTTA, making this a 1 cent moneymaker. So yes, make sure you check that out. I ended up getting the Purex. The Purex was 2 for $5 this week. I had a $1 off insert coupon for the crystals and a $1 off insert coupon for the Purex. You would just get these for $3 or $1.50 each. Now, I kind of want to start getting rid of paper coupons. I might go 100% digital. I don't know. I'm just debating on it because like I get inserts and like half the time I don't use half of them, or I didn't use any P&G coupons at all this month. Like, it's kind of sad. It's kind of sad. So yes, so I ended up getting the Covergirl makeup. These both were $8.99. So that was all one transaction, you guys. Everything that I just showed you was one transaction. I did this in a separate because I was using one of those spend 20 get 5 CRTs, or not CRTs, register rewards Catalinas to print, and I was using that, and it was a store coupon, so I did not want to mix that up with other things. So these were $8.99. I'd buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 $3 off insert coupons that we got. You would end up paying $7.48 for the both of these, but then there is a $4 rebate with this one and a $4 rebate with this one, making this a 51 cent moneymaker. I scanned literally every single product I could, and like nothing pops up. And then if you look at the list of the excludes items, it's just a long list, and I'm like, what's the point of having a $4 rebate if you can't use it? But anyways, I got to get these 2 items, so 51 cent moneymaker. Then I ended up getting the Almay. These were both $9.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I had a $7 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. I just realized my digital coupon did not come off. It did not come off, and it's because I didn't get 2 of the same thing. That's the reason why it did not come off. I will message Walgreens about that because it's not our fault. Like, I hate how they have those digital coupons. Like, you got to get 2 of the same ones. I totally was not thinking that's why the digital did not come off. Well, I will be contacting them. But anyways, you would pay $7.98 for both of these. You get a $3 rebate and a $3 rebate with IBOTTA, making it $1.98 or just 99 cents each if you can go ahead and get that deal. So that was my haul. My total came to $36.14 for everything. Now that is not included the stuff that I paid with register rewards. Oh, I forgot to mention, I ended up getting, with those 4 items, I ended up getting this register reward for $5. It says, thank you for being a loyal shopper. Save $5 on your next cosmetic item. It doesn't expire until November. So I bought that for buying those 4 things. So I don't know how much you have to spend. There was no sign unless it's something. But anyways, $36.14. I did receive that $5 register reward. I did receive only $29 in points because I had that thing where it says spend 20, get 5. Apparently I didn't spend 20, or it did because I paid with points or something like that, but I didn't get my $5 booster, which is fine. With IBOTTA, I received $25 back, you guys. I had 7 rebates. 7 rebates, which I was not expecting. I got the Cinnamon Toast, 2 different Covergirls, the Unisum, Chex Mix, 2 Almays. That's crazy. So $25 back with IBOTTA. That is crazy. Fetch rewards, I received 2,140 points, which is $2.14. And then with Shopkicks, sorry you guys, with Shopkicks, I received $1.48. $1.48. So my grand total came to $2.23 at 14 cents each. I will take all that for $2.23. I mean, food items for $2.23. That is a great, great deal for me. So I am pretty excited about that. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.